Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Fengrong electric pressure washer, generating 3900 psi of pressure and 2.6 Gpm of flow. Electric power washer with 25 feet hose and 16 ounces soap tank. Why you choose Fengrong electric pressure washer? Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Power washers electric powered, giving you the max cleaning power of 3900 psi, 2.6 Gpm of water flow, giving you the 1800 watt max cleaning power. Tar, grease, oil stains, and stubborn gunk and grime are easily cleaned. Total stop system. Get a total stop system feature in this portable pressure washer that automatically shuts the pump off when the trigger is not engaged. High pressure washer is equipped with a 16.4 feet power cord for you to safely use on all your exterior outlets. 4 quick nozzle and 16.9 ounces foam tank. Electric power washer machine has 4 quick connect nozzle which let you do any tougher cleaning jobs. The 16.9 ounces soap tank allows you to wash your car or porch with rich bubbles, giving you much better cleanliness. 25 feet pressure hose makes anywhere easy to clean. Allows you to clean without having to move the washer, and the hose is extremely durable and frictionless when dragged. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.